Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So lana ngizokhuluma umdlali weOrlando Pirates. Umdlali engizokhuluma ngaye bafethu uDion Hoto. Abaningi bayamazi mina ngokwami. I see uDion Hoto as a legend weOrlando Pirates. Umjida kade afika kuOrlando Pirates. Coach abaningi usebabonile befika, coach abaningi usebabonile behamba kuOrlando Pirates. I think iminyaka seyihlalele kuOrlando Pirates. I think close to 6 or 7 years if I'm not mistaken. Correct my comments. But umjida kade afika kuOrlando Pirates. Ama-trophies asena kuOrlando Pirates I think around 5 to 6 if I'm not mistaken. So umjida ngempela uyayazi Orlando Pirates. By now I thought uDion Hoto kabu captain. Yabo by now mina ngokwami ngangitshosa umjida uzobe sephethe ibhaneli likaCaptain but ke coach abafikayo abamregard as umjida ongayilida i-team, which is not a bad thing even though umjida ade afika kwe-club umjida useyayazi i-club. But ke sokhuluma ngaye la azile uzokhuluma ukuthi wafika kinini kuOrlando Pirates, azile uzokhuluma ukuthi umjida uyazi kanjani kuOrlando Pirates. Baningi abadlala abakade bafika ku-Pirates. So Hoto wasayina Orlando Pirates as a free agent. Orlando Pirates imsayina nje yamthola wayesathana kusuka kwiBidvest le yadayiselwe status. Kwathi kuphela kwiBidvest samthola kanjalo kuDion Hoto wafika. Umjida he was one of the best players. Afuna amateam amani but Orlando Pirates yona team yakwazi ukuyithola signing yakhe. Since afika mfethu uDion Hoto kuningi akusiza ngakho Orlando Pirates. Iziningi izinto asisiza ngakho. But in the last 2 seasons iform yakhe umjida for me is very very questionable. Last season yes, ube nice season esolid umjida, ama performances akhe bemnandi kakhulu, ama goals ubesinikeza. But iyodwa into umjida for me and abantu abaningi bayangifakazela futhi kuma comments into emshaya ilento leyo kutatazela ngazi noma mhlawumbe umina noma mhlawumbe ngisuke ngimgxaya ngimbuka ngehlelo lokugxeka. Dion Hoto one of the best players, hard worker. Okubi hard worker sometimes akusizi ukubi hard worker uma ungayisizi i-team uma ikudinga. Yes, ungabi hard worker but are you doing the basic things? uDion Hoto one of the talented players, one of the longest serving players kuOrlando Pirates uhlulu ukwenza ama-basics. When I talk about ama-basics ngikhuluma izinto mfethu eyisimple mfethu ongayifunda as under 13 ucimipho. When I speak about ama-basics ngikhuluma izinto eyisimple ezingenziwa under 13 ukukhahlela ibhola, having a shot on target. When I speak about ama-basics ngikhuluma ngokushumpuza as umdlali ohola he is one of the highest paid players kuOrlando Pirates currently. Njobe i-highest paid player kuOrlando Pirates akumelanga ngabe uyashumpuza, uyayihola imali oyidingayo. Enikhumbula kahle the reason why uSeminkosi Lotshwa wahamba kuOrlando Pirates is because umjida he was one of the highest players abakhokhelwayo kuOrlando Pirates. And uLotshwa yena wayefuna kuba uyena oholelwa kakhulu, ingakho uSeminkosi Lotshwa ahamba. Ukuhamba kwakhe kuLotshwa ngokwami ngangitsho ukuthi umjida uzokhuphula indlela yokudlala, ayeke ukushumpuza, ayeke ukwenza ama-mistakes enziwa ama-school boys. But lama mistakes la usaqhubeka uyawenza. Umdlali onjengoDion Hoto akumelanga ngabwenza ama-mistakes akanje. Umdlali onjengoDion Hoto ngiyaphila futhi akumelanga ngabwenza ama-mistakes alula kanje. Because leyo nto leyo iyadicelela phansi isithombe sakhe, idicelela phansi igama lakhe kwilegacy azama ukuyenza kuOrlando Pirates. Ngeke azabe ilegend yeOrlando Pirates uma eqhubeka edisplaya into kanje. Ngeke aza abe ilegend yeOrlando Pirates uma eqhubeka edisplaya ilegacy ekanje. Ngikhuluma nje mfethu uDion Hoto he is the player kuOrlando Pirates oshaya ama-corner kicks. Ngikhuluma nje kuOrlando Pirates uDion Hoto is the player oshaya ama-free kicks. Njoba nje umdlalo unikezwa lelo qonya lelo thuba lelo, akumelanga ngabe uyawamosha lama-free kicks oniwa. He was good last season, I don't wanna lie. Last season he scored one of the biggest and best free kicks last season benodlamini. But le season angazi kwenzakalani, I don't know, maybe umdlali sana leyo nto leyo cause ngiyakhumbula kahle iwindi lisathana kuvulwa, there were rumors circulating around uDion Hoto ukuthi ngenzeka ayishiya iclub but ke iclub worked around the deal ukuthi umjida maybe kusana lezo zinto kuyena umjida ukuthi ngeke mfethu Orlando Pirates kumele inginikeze into engiyifunayo. Yabo Orlando Pirates ke yazama ukuthi igcine kumkhipha. But uma ezoqhubeka edlala kanje there are many players ku Betway Premiership esingawabukela zama ukwasign. Because we need a player ozokwazi ukucompete naye kuOrlando Pirates. Currently we don't have a player ongakwazi ukucompete naye. We let go of ulomjida lo uPaseka Marco for me he was not competing with uDion Hoto. For me uDion Hoto ukwilevel yakhe yedwa. There is no left wing back kuOrlando Pirates engacompete with uDion Hoto. But we need a player. We need a player ongakwazi ukucompete naye. We need a player ongakwazi umhlalisa ebenchini namkhombisa ukuthi hey uDion Hoto uma uqhubeka udlala kanje mina ngizokuhlalisa ebenchini. If you look at right wing back position yeOrlando Pirates, we have players there. we have players abangahlalisana ebenchini. uShandu uyazi uVan Rooyen amhlalisa ebenchini, uVan Rooyen uyazi uLebitsa amhlalisa ebenchini, uLebitsa uyazi uNdlovu amhlalisa ebenchini. So i-competition ekanjalo lapha ku-right wing back i-healthy. So we need a competition e-healthy naka-left wing back. Sithi i-competition e-healthy. Mina for me, i-competition angayithola lo Mjida lo. Uma ubheka kuSikhukhune United, there's a player kuSikhukhune United obizwa ngoVuyo Letlapa. Vuyo Letlapa is one of the promising youngsters odlalayo oyi-left wing back. Umjida, he gave us inkinga ngosikhathi dlala against iSikhukhune. So for me, I think going for uVuyo Letlapa, maybe kule insuku ezisele for i-win uthi livalwe, ngaba into right for Orlando Pirates. I know Umjida uyabiza, but we need competition to boost up that left wing back position. Let's say uyalimala Umjida, singadlalisa uNkosikhona Ndaba lo sathana umthenga ku-Richards Bay, but we don't know uNkosikhona Ndaba ukuthi angasilethelani. Maybe he's another Mashilion, but we don't know. We don't know. Maybe giving uNkosikhona Ndaba some game time might give us ukuthi okay, lo Mjida lo unayo into, let's trust him ukuthi mhlawumbe uzodlalela kule season uNkosikhona Ndaba, because we need competition in that position. Maybe another player for me oqhama kwenye team menikhumbula kahle last season ubedlalela iSuper Sports, but ke right now sekuyisiwelele lo Mjida lo Neo Rapo, there were links with him with Orlando Pirates, but ke right now udlalela isiwelele uMjida we left wing back. He was playing for iBafana Bafana under 20 if I'm not mistaken, le AFCON. He was really good. He was really good, that young boy. So for me, going for that boy, he's a youngster, kuningi asakunikeza i-national team iBafana Bafana and ama-team asazowadlalela cause usamncane Mjida. I don't know, maybe go for that young boy. I know isiwelele singadinga imali, but pay that money because we need to boost that left wing back position. We need competition, guys. This season we are not here to learn from our mistakes. Asifuni ukuthi fethu ama mistakes lawa Mjida usazoba right. No, we don't need that. We need to win. This season, this is a do or die season. We don't need any mistakes kule season bafethu. Dion Hot kumele kuhlalwe phansi ndoda. You are one of the old players kuLorlando Pirates. As one of the old players, as one of the senior players, you must lead by example. Akumele wenze into eseceleni. I don't like to talk about abadlali bethu. I don't like to talk bad about abadlali bethu. But when you are continuing to do izinto ezikanje, ngempela ziyaye lezo zinto zingahlali kahle kumina. Ahlali ngempela kahle mina ngilalele lento ngayicabanga ukuthi hayibo. uDion Hotho ngempela lo sedlala kanje. Azi bengilokho ngiyeqa indaba yakhe ngingafuni ukuyikhuluma kakhulu because there were many players Orlando Pirates besimele discuss indaba zawo njengoHotho, njengotito kanje, njengomashiliyoni, abadlali abakanjalo nje baningi abadlali bengifuna ukudiscussa ngabo, but ngithe ukuthi ngikhulume ngoHotho because uHotho mfethu for me Mjida star and kuningi asinika kona. So naye kumele alungise lapho nalapho ukuze abuyele kwiform yakhe uMjida. Mistakes okushumpuza uhola 300k ngesonto ngenyanga njalo.